Good morning, everybody, and welcome to 9km by 9am. I'm Nigel, life coach and hypnotherapist, and slightly out of breath. I've just been running around this park here in Kent because yesterday I did a post which was what you're not changing, you're choosing. And I realised that I was choosing not to run, and I love running. About 6 months ago I stopped because my knees were weak, but I've been working on them and they've got stronger. And so today I've come out and I started running again. And a lot of that, in part, is due to the inspiration of other people I'm watching on social media. People like Richard Casement, people like Rose Smith, people like Joe Adams, and people like Phil Jordan. They're all, really inspirational to me. And that's been really good. So ask yourself this: what in your life are you not changing? Write it down and then do something about it tomorrow. Because if you're not changing it, you're choosing it. From Kent and this lovely Sunday morning, have a great day.